Thursday's update then, Morgan Plus 8 here, ready for our ignition and ECU chipping. It's actually a 4.6 Morgan, effectively standard under the bonnet. We have just noticed his fan has actually come off its mounts to the radiator. It's loose and wobbling around. It looks also like the mounts are far too far away from the radiator, so we need to adjust that for him as well if we have time. And there's also an ignition fault where something's holding the alternator charge light and two of the dials on just after you turn the ignition off, but not always. So again, if there's time, we'll look into the electrical fault. But this will be having a compression test, ignition upgrade with our amplifier, Magnecool leads, cap rotor, Bosch coil, and non-resisted spark plugs, Tornado 4.6 ECU chip, and a full setup. At the moment its idle is rather high. I have to pop out this morning, so I'm not sure I'll be able to video a lot of the work going on, but I can show you it at the end. And we have this bay here empty in the workshop for the white 90 to now come into for the engine install. So hopefully by about midday-ish we'll have an engine in and connected to a bell housing. Let's see how the day goes. Right, midday here, and we're actually just gone really, it's 2:45. The Morgan is all done, just been up the road with the customer, and he's over the moon with it. Much freer revving, very smooth. Pulls fifth gear from 15 miles an hour, this one being a 4.6 and a Morgan. So yeah, ignition kit is on there, compression test came up all good on all cylinders, and we've remounted his fan. You can't really see here, but it's on the other side of some brackets, so it's actually a bit closer to the radiator. So another happy customer there. So Defender engine is now on its way in. All bolted up to the bell housing. The clutch has been checked, so let's see what we've got connected here. Fuel pipe with the stop valve in it because it's on LPG. We've got the vacuum line going to the brake servo assist. Throttle cable and choke cable are on. All the plug leads were already on the engine before it was dropped in, so a little bit more wiring here to do, I think. Ignition system just needs plugging in. Air filter on top, probably a few coolant hoses around as well, because looking around here they're missing. I think they've only just dropped the rad in, haven't you? Yeah, so the rad's only just now gone back in after being tested. So that's pretty much concludes today. I need time to upload this video, and yeah, Friday tomorrow, end of the week.